One day, Sarah was at work when she started feeling overwhelmed. Her to-do list seemed endless. I'll never get everything done, she thought. Her heart raced, and her mind was filled with self-doubt. But that's when she remembered something important. She had just learned about the 3C in therapy recently. The 3C are a simple way to help deal with negative thoughts often used in cognitive behavioral therapy or CBT. The first step is to catch it. This is all about becoming aware of negative thoughts when they appear. Sarah realized she was thinking, "I'm a failure." That thought popped up, and she caught it right away. She recognized it was a negative thought that wasn't helping her. Next, Sarah moved on to the second C. Challenge it. She asked herself, "Is this really true? Am I a failure just because I feel stressed?" She realized that her thought was extreme. Sometimes she just needed more time to finish things, but that did not mean she was a failure. Challenging your thoughts helps you see things more clearly. You don't have to accept everything your mind tells you. You can question it and find a more balanced perspective. The third C stands for change it. Sarah changed her thought from "I'm a failure" to "I'm learning and improving." This new thought was much kinder and more realistic. Changing your thinking helps you feel more in control and less anxious. It's all about replacing negativity with a more helpful mindset. Now, when Sarah feels overwhelmed, she remembers the 3C. Catch it, challenge it, change it. It's a simple way to take control of your thoughts and feel better, even on tough days. If you found this video helpful and want us to make more, please like and subscribe.